Accessories for Instant Pot, 75 PCS accessories compatible with 5/6 8 QT Instant Pot, 60 PCS Parchment papers, 2 steamer baskets, springform pan, egg rack, egg bites mold, and soap. 2020 Superior Value Complete Accessories Set for Instant Pot, ideal gift for Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas. This accessories for Instant Pot provide all you needs for delicious foods. It includes 60 PCS cake baking papers, 2 steamer baskets, 1 steamer rack, 1 non-stick springform pan, 1 egg rack, 1 egg bites mold, 1 kitchen tong, 1 dish plate clip, 2 oven mitts, and 3 magnetic cheat sheets. Fits 5/6 8 QT Instant Pot and top brand PRESSRESURE cooker. Our accessories for Instant Pot fits 5, 6, and 8 quart pressure cooker and stockpot, such as Power Pressure Cooker XL, Cuisinart CPC-600, Fagor 6 quart, Instant Pot IP-LUX50, IP-LUX60, IPDU-060, IPDU-080, IP-LUX80. Premium quality material and safe. Consumers' safety is our first priority. All accessories meet U.S. food grade standards, made of high-quality food grade 304 stainless steel and silicone. They are also BPA-free, odor-resistant, free of lead, phthalate, PVC and other toxic materials. Sturdy and durable, no rust forever, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, higher temperature resistance and corrosion resistance. Healthy and low-calorie foods. Our accessories set for pressure cooker help you make healthy meals for your family compared to fried food or grilled food. It's low-calorie foods and keep 95% nutrient. You can cook varieties foods with our accessories, such as meat, seafood, fish, vegetables, eggs, cake, grains, beans and baby foods among others. Large capacity, double layers and steamer rack design help you cook all kinds of foods on the same time. Have balanced nutrition every day. 3 magnetic cheat sheets. 3 cheat sheets are magnetic, which easily sticks to your appliance, refrigerator, or instant. You can click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.